Okay, hello everyone, guys. Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Good morning, everyone. My name is Afreen Azmat, and I welcome you all to today's session. So, today we are going to discuss the unit 10 of PPB, that is foreign currency account for resident and other aspects. See, in the last unit, we have discussed about those accounts which are offered to NRIs and person of Indian origin. So, if you are a NRI, and if you are a person of Indian origin, what types of account has been offered to you as this, right? But in this, we are going to discuss about those account which has been offered to Indian resident. So if you are a resident of India, and you are trading or you have a transaction denominated in foreign currencies, what type of foreign currency account you can hold in India as well as outside India. So this is we are going to discuss in this chapter. So different type of account which we are going to discuss in this chapter is the exchange earner foreign currency account, means EEFC account, the RFC resident foreign currency account, the resident foreign currency domestic account, RFCD account, and there is a diamond dollar account, means DT account, right? So these are the four different type of account that has been offered to the resident Indian if they want to hold any foreign currency account. So let's start discussing with the very first account, that is known as the EEFC account. So before starting this EEFC account, there are some general provisions for holding these type of accounts. What are these general provision? First, otherwise in unless stated, this account or these accounts can be current, saving or term deposit account. So either this account can be offered in the form of current or in the saving or in the term deposit account. Clear? So this account is not offered in the recurring deposit account, and this account can be in single or can be offered in joint name. Okay, so this is can be single name, or this offered or this account can be offered in a joint name. Now in the case of the death of the account holder, you are a resident Indian. In case of the death of the account holder, now what can be the process for the disposal of the fund? So first of thing is, if you have made any nominee residing outside India, so the fund is transferred to the nominee which is outside India or who is outside India to the part of his or her shares, okay, of this account. First thing. Second, if you have made a nominee which is a resident Indian, now the fund has been transferred to them, and now if that person want to transfer any part of the fund to abroad or to any of the foreign country for meeting the liability of the deceased person. Now, this is specifically needs RBI's approval, Reserve Bank of India's approval. But a resident nominee of the account held outside India has to close the account and bring the proceed to India through banking channel. So if there is any account, foreign currency account, that that deceased person hold outside India, now what should be done? Now in this case, that account need to be closed, and the nominee resident of India has to bring that fund inside India. Okay, so these are the general provisions for what? These are the general provisions for managing this foreign currency account, right? So unless and otherwise stated, this can be current, this can be saving, and this can be term deposit account. Recurring deposit account is not allowed in this, right? Now next, if we talk about the EFC account, exchange earner foreign currency account. Now exchange earner foreign currency account can be opened by a person who are a resident of India, and they are essentially engaged in managing their foreign exchange earning. So you have any foreign exchange earning, okay, you have to manage that foreign exchange earning, and you are a resident Indian. So the account which is offered to you for managing your foreign exchange earnings, that account is known as EEFC account, that is exchange earner foreign currency account. Now there are different permitted credits and there are different permitted debits under the foreign currency account. Permitted credit, first of all, 100% foreign exchange earnings by the way of inward remittances are allowed. Payment can be received for counter trade. Advance remittance can be received through export and import of goods and export of goods and services. If you have earned any professional fees like director fees, consultancy fees, honorarium is a small token amount that has been given or paid when you are giving any free services, right? Interest earned on the fund held in this account, disinvestment proceeds like ADR, American Depository Receipt, or Global Depository Receipt. So these are the permitted credits. So these are some of the permitted credits under this exchange earner foreign currency account. Now, if we talk about the permitted debits, so these are some of the permitted debits. The first debit is payment outside India for capital and current account transactions. So in this case, the payment you can pay outside India for capital or current account transaction. Payment in foreign exchange for the good purchase for 100% export oriented unit. Payment of custom duty, you can use this balance for paying any custom duty or taxes in India. Trade related loan, if there is any trade related loan, then debits can be used for fulfilling or for the repayment of these loans. And payment in foreign exchange to a person resident in India for the supply of any goods and services. So these are some of the permitted debits and credits under the exchange earner foreign currency account. Specifically, the purpose is you are a resident Indian and you have foreign exchange earnings, right? And you have to manage that foreign exchange earning. So for managing your these foreign exchange earning, the type of account which is offered to you is known as EEFC account, right? Next, other condition for holding this account, first of all, withdrawal in rupees are allowed, but you are not allowed to recredit this amount. Okay, now this is a current account, so it is a non-interest bearing account. There, the claim by any export credit guarantee corporation or insurance company, it cannot be credited under this account. Fund and non-fund credit based facility should not be granted against these balance, and this cannot be used for repay banking credit advances. So these are some of the other conditions for holding this EEFC account. Clear? So these are the other condition. Next. Now, RFC account, resident foreign currency account. Now, what are the purpose for holding this resident foreign currency account, right? So first, if we talk about the resident foreign currency account, you are any individual who have lived outside India and now you are intended to move to India. You have the intention to live or settle in India. Obviously, you have worked abroad, you have employer there, okay, you have earnings there. So for managing these transactions, the account which is offered to you is known as RFC account, resident foreign currency account. Okay, so if you are a if you are an NRI but you have intended to return back to India, you want to live in India, okay, and you have an intention to live in India and you want to have the foreign currency account here, you want to manage your dues from India, the type of account which is offered to you is known as the RFC account. And these are the permitted credits and debits under this account. First, you can receive any pension or monetary benefit from your employer outside India. If you have converted any of your assets into cash, you can bring that proceeds to India. Before July 8, 1947, you have any income arising and held outside India. Now, this needs RBI's special permission. By RBI's special permission, you can remit this income also to India. Proceeds of LIC claim maturity or surrendered value, this can be credited in this account. Now, what are the permitted debits? So, if we are talking about the permitted debits, so all the balance in this RFC account can be utilized for payment outside India or can be utilized towards any transaction outside India, and this can be converted into Indian rupees also. So these are the permitted credits and these are the permitted debits under RFC account. Now, RFC, but there is another account which is known as RFCD account. RFCD account is resident foreign currency domestic account. Now, what are these accounts? Now, first of all, these account can be held only by individual. It cannot be opened in joint name or on the behalf of minor. So, if we are talking about this RFCD account, it is maintained in the form of current account and no interest is payable on these type of account. RFCD account is actually meeting your need for assessing foreign currency frequently without any hassle. So it is an account with balance held in foreign currency. So if you are an Indian, okay, and you have foreign earnings and you want to maintain or manage your foreign earnings in that foreign currency only, you don't want to convert it into Indian currency, but you are living in India, but you want that, okay, my balance should be held in that foreign currency only, okay, and I need to manage that foreign currency also. The amount which is the account which is offered to me is known as RFC, resident foreign currency domestic account. Okay, now this account can be opened in three currencies and the currencies can be dollar, euro and pound. You can retain your foreign earnings in the same foreign currency you have earned it. Now these are some permitted credits and debits under this account. Okay, now last account is DDA, Diamond Dollar Account Scheme. Now, what is a Diamond Dollar Account Scheme? So, see, if you are any firm, if you are any corporate, okay, and you are engaged in the buying and selling of polished, unpolished diamond, rough or cut diamond, right? You are jewelry, diamond jewelry, or any meenakari or any stud jewelries, okay, if you are engaged in any these type of services, okay, the firms and the companies are eligible for this. Okay, if you are engaged in any of these transactions and you are engaged in this trade for a complete 3 years time period, means you have a track record in this occupation for a complete 3 year and you have a average annual turnover of rupees 5 crore in the last three preceding financial year. If you are satisfying these conditions, then the account which is offered to you is known as the diamond dollar account, right? And diamond dollar account, it is a current account, means it is a non-interest bearing account. It is a current account, means no interest is paid under this account. Okay, now let us discuss some of the practice questions related to this. Okay, the first question is what? Foreign currency denominated accounts maintained in India cannot be in the form of dash. Everyone please answer this question. Okay, foreign currency denominated account maintained in India can be in the form of dash. So if we talk about the foreign currency account can be current, can be saving, can be term deposit. It cannot be recurring deposit, right? So D is the correct answer. Okay, now foreign currency accounts. Now these are the units which I haven't told you, right? Now next, if we are talking about, you have to download, if you want to download the free PDF of this class, you can download this free PDF. How you can download this free PDF? You have to download the Oliveboard app. You just have to open the Oliveboard app and you have to select the JAIIB and CAP category. In the bottom you will see a third icon, that is the course section. When you click in the course section, you will have the course section here, YouTube class PDF. Okay, now you in this you will download all the YouTube class PDF free of cost. Okay, so this is completely free of cost for all of you. Next, if you want to have a JAIIB Super Elite subscription, see, We are going to launch different batches this week. Foundation batch, foundation 2.0 batch. Okay, we are going to launch a different batches in the coming week, right? And till the examination we are going to have foundation batch, crash batch, crackers batch, practice batch, mcqs batch. There have been lot of batches which we have planned for all of you, so you don't need to purchase each and every batch individually. You just have to take the JAIIB Super Elite all-in-one subscription. When you are taking this JAIIB Super Elite all-in-one subscription, all the batches will be given to you under this umbrella. All the live classes, all the mock tests, all the PDFs, every batch, okay? And there is a currently flat 47% off which is going on Oliveboard app. You can use this Oliveboard app opportunity to enroll yourself in the JAIIB Super Elite subscription. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining this session. If you have understood what I have taught you, just please like the video, like and share the video as much as you can. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, guys, it's a request. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Thank you so much, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye bye, everyone.